Hi there, welcome back to this issue of InSPAration Moments. This is the product of the month. Actually, I'm super excited to present this to you because we are in the middle of doing the Leap Ahead virtual seminar. As many of you know, we used to do this as a 3-day in-person seminar, but for the last couple of weeks, we've been doing it online in our brand new studio. So what we're doing is this. We just finished the first 3 modules, which were all about marketing. We talked about marketing foundation, what you really need to do in order to get your marketing all set up for success. We talked about how to create digital marketing campaigns so you can drive traffic to your business. And then we discussed traditional offline marketing as well as in spa or in Medspa marketing. So we covered 3 modules that were 2 hours each. So it's a total of 6 hours on how to get a handle on your marketing so you can professionally and effectively market for success. So what we're doing is, if you're not part of the Leap Ahead program already, I don't know why you're not, but in case you're not, we're actually making just these 3 modules available for you to at least get you started and get your marketing under control. So you have 2 options. You can either take advantage of the product of the month that we're offering here and purchase the 3 modules of 6 hours each of the entire marketing, or you can just sign up for the Leap Ahead. It's not too late because everything is recorded, everything lives on the Medspa University, and you can access the content at any time. So we are going now through the financial health. So we did a couple of modules about how to generate more sales, and then this coming week we're going over how to budget for business forecast and also how to pay your team. So obviously the program is amazing. You should really just go and sign up for the whole thing. But if you don't want to, at least get started with the marketing so you can really get a handle on your traffic, capacity, and revenue generation. So I just wanted to make that available for you so you can at least experience some growth by applying the marketing modules from the Leap Ahead seminar. So click below to find out more information and to gain access, on-demand access to the marketing modules so you can start improving your business. So I hope you take care of it, take advantage of that and use it and put it to good use and share it with other people that will make a big difference as far as like your team and leadership team, so everybody can apply the content. So that's what I have for you for this month. That's product of the month. Enjoy, stay safe, and until next time, stay inspired.